What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So we kicked the mail truck out after the ice cream cruise, and we have the car that started it all. We got the Prelude in here. So we gave this thing a bath a day. She was filthy. And let's see if we can go over here and look in it. So last year after the car show, Jackson left his Mountain Dew in here. That's a year old. We tore the dash out of it because the temperature and fuel level gauge thingamabobber wasn't working, and we shipped it off to Germany and had it repaired. And it's time to get it put back in, get this thing cleaned up. I definitely should not have left the sunroof and the windows down last fall because it's full of leaves. Those are year-old leaves in there. So we got to get this thing cleaned up and put back together for the car show. So let's get to it. That didn't shut all the way. There we go. Oh yeah. So over here on the toolbox slash aka stack everything we have inside the mail truck because we have to go to a show. We have this little guy right here. So we blew this whole thing apart and we sent this little guy off to get redone because apparently these things all go bad, which of course mine went bad, and there's a flux capacitor in there or something that goes bad and needs to be replaced. But forget his name, but I will put it right here in the bottom at this point. And had that replaced, got it tested, everything works good. There is a weird spot in the glass right here where there's a dark mark, but the gauges function, everything works perfectly. So we got to get this thing cleaned up and put back in the dash. It's been sitting on the damn bench for a year now, and I really don't want to do this, but I got some hood pins for the sick ass carbon fiber hood. I don't know if anybody's seen this or not yet, but we did upgrade to a carbon fiber hood because two things. One, I'm a ricer, and the other one is I didn't want to body work that hood we got from Georgia. It looked like a fat chick tap danced on it, and I just didn't want to deal with it and paint it. So it costs a little bit of money, but it saved me a ton of time, and damn it, it looks good. Call me a ricer, but it's pretty. So they really recommend putting hood pins in it. I don't want to do it because it just looks so good this way. I really wish that these weren't in here because that's stupid. So is that over there. But it is what it is. Got a good deal on it. I lowballed the guy on eBay and he accepted my offer after 3 tries. So I had to buy it. It was like $400 cheaper than you could get one on eBay currently. So it was a no-brainer. Damn it, that looks good though, doesn't it? Look at that thing. You can see all my can lights. So many can lights. What kind of idiot puts this many can lights in his garage? I do. So, we're gonna get to those maybe. I don't know. I'm really hesitant about cutting into this thing. I don't know if I want to do it or not, but we're definitely gonna get the fuel gauge and temperature unit put back in there. So let's get to that. And this thing is by far the prettiest engine bay I have ever done. I mean, this thing is just drop dead gorgeous. Everything's shaved and clean and just painted and just, it puts a Chevelle to shame, really. I mean, this is beautiful. Like, I forgot how good this looked, and I washed it all day and cleaned it up, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I love it. I gotta start driving this thing more. I haven't drove it for almost a year. I think the last time we drove it was the car show, so. All right. Okay, so back here in the car, oh my God. There's so many leaves in here. This thing is trash. Oh, there we go. Now we're in here. So it was pretty straightforward to put back in here. Yeah, I don't even know where the screws are. Put them in the little square holder there, I think. I think that's everything I need. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing reassembled and see if it works. It did work when tested in Germany, so I have not tested it in America. So hopefully the German electricity is not different than American electricity, and we can see if we got this bad boy working. Yeah. All right. Oh, here's my insurance card. Put that in the sex blocker. Oh shit, there's all sorts of cool stuff here. I got beads, you got boobs, let's see them. That's a throwback to the early. Oh, there's a ticket. What's this ticket for? Speeding and no operator's license. That's pretty good. Where did I get this ticket? It's dark in here, I can't see. Gotta get my flashlight out. I can't see the year. Bummer. I don't even think this is for me. That's my address. There you go, last name Michael. Okay, it is for me. I don't know when this was, but it happened for sure. What else is in here? Is there some fun stuff in here? Oh. This looks like a copy of a title. 9407. That's probably when I bought this thing. I probably bought this thing about then. I know I bought it in 07. It's kind of fun. What else do we got in here? What's this folded piece of paper? Oh shit, Randall's formal wear. This is the tuxedo rental for my wedding. I drove this to, back when it was red, I drove this to get fitted for my tuxedo. That's pretty fucking wild. I can't believe all this shit's still in here. That's the fucking thing I put in there. What is this one? That's another insurance thing. Another dome light cover. Let's see what this is. A receipt for something. Gotta be good. O'Reilly's. What do we buy in O'Reilly's? This was 2022. Gallon of antifreeze. That's not that impressive. We got some old school GP Custom stickers. That was from the 2007-ish era. What does this say? GP Motorsports, Lincoln, Nebraska. Got a title slip. Registration 2008, November 2008. So yeah, that's probably pretty close. This must have been the guy's copy of the title for September, November. That makes sense. Bought it in September 14th, 07. Put a motor in it. Purchased it for $100. That's a little bit of a lie, but yeah. And then got the motor put in and got it running and got it titled in November. No, that can't be right. That's a year late. Right? This is confusing now. Let me see here. Oh, expiration date. Yeah, that makes sense. So it expires in November 08. So I must have got this thing registered November of 07, back in the day. It's got a little freaking oh shit handle up here, but it doesn't match the gray. Put the lighter gray in for a parts car. I don't know why that's in here, but that's in here too. Oh, I know why that's in here. Because that's underneath the dash in the glove box, and I guarantee it's not on right now. Can't see it anyway. Oh, there's fun stuff in the glove box. Let's see, when did I register it this time around? August 2023. Tags are bad. It expired last year. It's over a year bad. So anyways, that was a fun trip down memory lane. I'm gonna keep that stuff in there forever. Just stuff this back in here. It's always fun having tickets. All right, let's get this little guy put back in here, shall we? Oh, I got this too in here. Little nitrous oxide momentary switch for my nitrous. It's not hooked up yet. Still haven't tuned the motor yet, so probably better not hook that up, because that's gonna mean I'm gonna blow something up. But this little guy should be pretty easy to put back in. It's about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Let's get her plugged in and see if it works. What the actual fuck? There we go. One down, 2 to go. Oh, I disconnected the battery. Hold on, I'll be right back. Ready? Damn, this thing has a full tank in it? Hell yeah. That's a win right there. I thought this thing would be empty. Let's see if it'll start. Hell yeah. Fires right up. It's probably not good. Should probably look at the tune in it, because the tach said the rev limiter was at 8,000 RPM, so it's kind of a little crazy probably, so for an H23, but that's pretty cool. That thing hasn't worked and been that bright forever, so I think this is what the cool kids do. I'm gonna have to go ahead and like block out like that one and the ABS one. Actually, which one's on? Maybe take that one out. Yeah, the brake lamp one, that needs to come out because it turns on for some reason when I put the brakes on, so. That's weird. The second I touch the brake lamp ones come on. I don't know if that's because I deleted the ABS and didn't do something right. So I'm going to take that bulb out because I'm tired of looking at it. How's that sound? Did you guys check out the new koozies? Twin snail mail. Get them at the car show because they're not on the website. Probably won't be on the website either. So let's pull this out. That's weird. The brake light. Let's go ahead and take that bulb out. That brake light bulb comes back on. Huh? Fixed it. Problem solved. Nice. Nailed it. Wonder what we got for a CD in this thing. Hope it's a Fast and the Furious soundtrack. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's fucking ludicrous. Hell yeah. Let's see what happens when we put that in. Oh, it's good to have the Prelude back. I miss this thing like crazy. This is a super fun car. I gotta have more fun in it. We're gonna drive this thing a lot. Alright, Looter, we're not allowed to play that on YouTube.